One blockchain dominates DeFi, the other is built for speed. Ethereum or Solana, which one could lead the next crypto bull run? Let's break it down in under 90 seconds. Welcome back to Crypto Orbitz, where we simplify crypto investing with market insights, chart analysis, and future trends. Solana is trading near $68.82, recovering from recent lows. Community sentiment appears highly bullish, and buyers have been defending the $66 to $67 support zone. Solana's strength is speed. It processes transactions faster and at a fraction of Ethereum's cost, making it attractive for gaming, payments, and meme coin trading. On the chart, Ethereum is trading around $1,534.40 after a sharp correction from above $2.300. Trading volume remains strong, showing investors are still highly active despite recent selling pressure. Ethereum remains the king of smart contracts, powering thousands of DeFi apps, NFTs, and Layer 2 networks. Its biggest advantage? A massive developer ecosystem and long-term institutional adoption. If you had to pick just one for the next bull cycle, would it be Ethereum or Solana? Drop your choice in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay ahead of the market with Crypto Orbitz. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.